In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your inbox section on the Wrike website. This quick tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know to keep your Wrike notifications organized and under control. So, let's dive right in. First things first, to access your Wrike inbox, you'll need to log into your account. Head over to the Wrike website and you'll find the login button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on that. Once you've clicked on login, you'll see various options to log in. For simplicity, let's use the Google option. Click on the Google button and choose your preferred Google account that's linked with your Wrike. This method is quick and secures your login process, ensuring you're safely connected to your workspace. After logging in, let's navigate to the part where all the magic happens. Your inbox. Look at the top left corner of your dashboard. You'll spot the inbox icon waiting for you. Click on this to open your inbox where all your messages and notifications live. This section is crucial as it helps you keep track of ongoing tasks and communications with your team. Within your inbox, you might notice 3 small dots in the top right corner. Click on these 3 dots to reveal more options. This hidden menu provides extra functionalities that make managing your notifications more efficient. Clicking on the 3 dots often reveals options that aren't immediately visible, helping you customize your view or actions. One handy feature you might find here is the ability to open your inbox in a new tab. Click on this option if you feel the need to multitask or keep your inbox separate from the rest of your activities on Wrike. This can be particularly helpful if you're working with multiple projects and you don't want to go back and forth between tasks. Now that you've opened your inbox, it's time to explore and manage it. In this area, you have the flexibility to archive messages, snooze notifications that aren't urgent, and perform a variety of organizational tasks. Managing these elements effectively will ensure that your workflow remains smooth and you are always up to date with what needs your attention. These options allow you to customize how you react to notifications and messages, making your workflow efficient and less stressful. Archiving helps in decluttering your view, and snoozing enables you to address notifications at more convenient times without forgetting them. And that's all there is to it. Managing your Wrike inbox is a simple but powerful way to stay organized and in control of your tasks and communications. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you now feel more confident navigating and managing your inbox on Wrike. Don't forget to leave your questions or feedback in the comments, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Happy organizing!